Hey, I look pretty real, right? From the texture of my skin to the dark circles under my eyes, and even my voice, it's easy to think I'm a real person. But here's the crazy part. I was surprisingly easy to make using a UGC video creator. And yep, this entire video, including my voice, was created using the same system. Keep watching until the end, and I'll show you exactly how I made this avatar, created the voice, turned it into a talking video, and how you can use this same workflow for videos that have nothing to do with product promotions.
Okay, let's jump in. From the homepage, you can explore the community and see what other people have been creating. And one thing I love, it's not just filled with ads. There are actually tons of creative projects you can use for inspiration, or even as templates for your own work. Over on the right-hand side, you'll see the sidebar. We've got UGC character, UGC ad video, UGC image, and UGC video. And under all tools, you'll also find talking video and motion sync. We're going to cover most of these today, but first, let's start with UGC character. You'll see 4 different options here. Let's go into the first one, start from an image. The first thing we're going to do is upload an image. I'm using one I generated earlier because it's already saved on my computer. I'm really just showing you the workflow. Next, we'll give our character a name and a background story. And honestly, I had ChatGPT come up with both of them. It saved me a lot of time. Now choose the model you want to use. Your choices are Nano Banana Pro, GPT Image 2, and Nano Banana 2. Once you've made your choice, click Generate. One thing I really appreciate, this barely uses any credits at all. And here's something else. It gives you an estimated completion time, but in my experience, it almost always finishes faster. Here's the result. Click it and you'll see your reference image, the prompt, and the exact model that was used. Now let's check out Describe Your Character. First, pick a style. There are options like GTA style, oil painting, watercolor, digital art, photorealistic, and plenty more. As of today, there are around 15 different styles available. I'm going with GTA style. Now you'll describe how you want your character to look. You can have ChatGPT write a detailed description, or you can do what I'm doing and keep it simple. I'm literally just typing a few characteristics separated by commas. Honestly, these tools don't really need huge, complicated prompts. Short prompts work surprisingly well. But if detailed prompting is your thing, go for it. Choose your model, select how many images you want, and click Generate. Let's see. Yeah, she's definitely giving GTA energy. I like that. Now let's move on to build your character. Choose your style first. You have options like 90s, casual, glam, gym, office, street, and Y2K. Then pick the gender, followed by the age. Your age options are young, middle-aged, or elderly. Next comes the region. Then enter a prompt describing what you want your character to do. Again, don't overthink it. I'm keeping mine short and simple because these tools really don't need complicated prompts. Choose your model, select the number of generations, and hit Generate. Let's see the results. Honestly, not bad at all. Now, this is the feature that sold me on the entire platform, the Influencer Generator. First, choose your aspect ratio. You can create a face close-up, bust shot, or a full body shot. I cleared everything that was auto-generated because I wanted to build mine completely from scratch. Now choose the gender, then the age. Next comes the persona, and there are lots of options. After that, choose the region and skin tone. Now here's where the magic happens. Under Facial Features, click View All. There are 19 different facial feature options, and you can mix and match as many as you want. Just don't forget to hit Confirm when you're done. Next, choose the face shape. You'll also find hairstyle options, scenes, beard styles for men, makeup styles for women, props, and plenty of other customization choices. Finally, choose your model and the number of generations. If you want an even more unique influencer, you can add a detailed prompt, or just throw in a few extra descriptive traits. When everything looks good, click Generate. And that is exactly how I created the influencer you saw at the beginning of this video. Now that we've built our influencers, let's actually put them to work. First up, UGC Add Video. First, upload your product. You can upload an image, or simply paste in the product URL like I did. Once it loads, select it, then click Save. Now choose one of your influencers. For this demo, though, I'm using one of the built-in influencers because they already have a great selection to choose from. Now type your prompt, and if you're stuck, ChatGPT can write one for you in seconds. Choose your voice. Use the filters if you need to narrow things down. I already know the one I want, so I'll just search for it. Choose your aspect ratio, the number of generations, then click Generate. Here's the result.
Are you still waking up with dry, flaky skin? Yeah, we are done with that. You need to see this. The Obagi Hydrate Luxe. It is an ultra moisture-rich cream. It literally transforms your face while you sleep. Look at this rich texture. It melts right in, packing your skin with deep hydration. No greasy mess, just a flawless, dewy glow. Trust me on this one. Your skin will absolutely thank you. Grab yours today.
Now let's move over to UGC Image. Choose your character first. Keep the same model if you want. The scenario field is optional. Adding a product is optional too. Now enter your image prompt. Again, simple prompts work great here. Choose your output settings, select how many images you want, and click Generate. Take a look at these. I think they turned out really nice. Before I show you how I made the video you saw at the beginning of this tutorial, I want to show you how to use the UGC video option first. So, let me show you how it works. First, choose your character. Next, pick your product. I'm using the product URL again. Now, choose your video model. You can choose Kling 3.0, Cdance 2.0, or Cdance 2.0 Fast. Personally, I've been really loving Cdance lately. If you haven't tried it yet, I definitely recommend giving it a shot. Now enter your prompt. Mine was written with a little help from ChatGPT. You can turn sound effects on or off, whichever you prefer. Then choose your output settings. Select your aspect ratio. Choose your resolution, 720p or 1080p. Pick your video duration. Then select the number of generations. And once everything looks good, click Generate. Let's see what we got.
Guys, look at this bag. The color, the texture, it's everything.
Pretty good, right? And honestly, here's my favorite part. We didn't even have to tell the AI influencer what to say. The system generated the script for us automatically, making the whole process fast, simple, and incredibly easy. Now, let me show you how you can use this for your social media, YouTube videos, tutorials, or really any type of content you want to create. First, head over to the dashboard, click All Tools, and then select Talking Voices. Now choose the influencer you want to use. You can upload your own influencer, pick one from the built-in library, or even use one from the community. Next, it's time to add your script. I'm using one that ChatGPT helped me write, but you can type or paste in any script you want your influencer to say. Now you'll see an option called Add Speech Emotions. I highly recommend turning this on. It automatically adds emotion tags to your script, making the voice sound much more natural, expressive, and human. Next, choose the voice you want to use. I already know which one I like, so I'm going to select that one. If you want your influencer to feel even more realistic, you can also add gestures to make the movements look more natural. Finally, choose your aspect ratio, select the number of generations you want, and click Generate. All right, Now let me show you the video it created.
One thing I really like about UGCVideo.ai is that it's not limited to just UGC content. You can use it to create content for your YouTube channel, Instagram, TikTok, pretty much anywhere. It's a great tool when you want professional-looking content without having to be on camera every single time.
And just like that, you've seen how easy it is to create your own AI influencer using UGCVideo.ai. Whether you're making product videos, YouTube content, social media posts, tutorials, or you simply need a realistic talking avatar, this platform gives you a ton of creative flexibility. Now, before we wrap things up, let's take a quick look at the pricing. The best part? You don't have to commit right away. When you sign up, UGCVideo.ai gives every new user 30 free credits to get started. Then, after you complete your very first generation, that's just creating your first piece of content, you'll unlock another 30 bonus credits. That gives you a total of 60 free credits to explore the platform and decide if it's the right fit for your content creation workflow. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to AI Royal Creations for more AI tutorials, and leave me a comment below letting me know what you'd like to see next. Until next time, keep learning, keep creating, and keep reigning the AI Royal way. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.